In this video, you will learn how to use Substack to create a newsletter. Sign up. Sign up for a Substack account. Visit the Substack website and create a free account using your email address. Set up your publication, choose a name for your newsletter, then add a short description and customize your profile image and banner if you desire to. Access the dashboard. After setting up, you will land on a publication dashboard where you can manage subscribers, posts and even settings. Click New Post and start writing. Click Add New Post to open the editor. You can write your newsletter with images, text, links, embeds and even some audio. Customize delivery settings. Before publishing, choose whether to send your newsletter via email or post it to the web or even both. You can also schedule delivery. Publish or schedule your newsletter. Once you're happy with the content, click Publish Now or Schedule for a future time. Substack will handle email delivery and web posting automatically. Now you know how to use Substack to create newsletters. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.